Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Just wanted to take a minute to talk about what I feel is one of my greatest little campsite creations. Let me show you. Now, I don't have an underquilt, so I'm going to be putting in, as the first layer, this British Army Gore-Tex bivvy, and it's got some foam in. Okay, so I was using the Dutch Army sleeping bag, the M90. I had that inside the British Army Gore-Tex bivvy bag. Underneath the Gore-Tex bivvy bag, inside it, there is a layer of foam matting just to provide some insulation. Now this that you can see here is a British Army Gore-Tex bivvy bag. And I use this instead of one of those foam roll mats. Yeah, that's right, one of those. And what I've done is, inside here, this is that laminate flooring foam. It's the soundproofing foam that they put under laminate floors when it's installed. And this is 2 layers of it. It's very thin, it's only about 1 millimetre, there's about 2 millimetres of foam there. But it's closed cell and it's very insulating. And that goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. And then what you've got, effectively, is an insulated mat that has multiple purposes. Now, I've used this in a hammock, I've used this in a tent, and the multiple purpose aspect is, if you happen to be particularly cold, instead of actually lying on it, you can put your sleeping bag in it and create an insulative layer. Not only that, with it being Gore-Tex, it's weatherproof, so it's also a shelter. So if your shelter has issues, say for example your tent's leaking, or your tarp, then you've actually got an additional shelter aspect. It just adds a lot of versatility to your camping kit. As I say, and I think it's one of my better developments really, little innovations. So I just thought I'd share that with you. I'll put some links in for where I've got stuff from, like the Gore-Tex bivvy and the foam. But it's just really handy. And of course, one of the most important aspects of this is the fact that it folds up, and well, rolls up to something the size of a roll mat. So all you do, I don't even roll it up that tight if I'm honest, just roll it up. I've actually got an old elasticated band here, can't even remember where it came from, probably another old roll mat or something, and I just keep it wrapped around it. And it's not as rigid as the other roll mats, so you've got quite a bit of flexibility with it in your pack. Not bad, eh? So let me know in the comments what you think of this. Do you think it's a good idea? Have you done something similar? Have you done something better? By all means, let me know. And if you've got any links to any videos that you've done about stuff like this, share them with me. If you like this, give the video a bit of a thumbs up, show it some love. And if you like what I'm doing on the channel, hit the subscribe and the bell, and just get a notification whenever you open up YouTube, whenever I've uploaded any new content. And I know you don't like to miss out. All right, you take care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Cheerio.